Is ACCA really difficult? Let's understand not just from the course structure perspective but also from the job opportunities and the financial aspect. So please stay tuned till the end as I'm going to be discussing all of this. I'm Megha Bansali, Indian Qualified Chartered Accountant and ACCA. I'm a ACCA tutor and I often get asked by so many students who want to pursue ACCA. So they want to figure out, is ACCA really difficult or no? In this video, we'll be discussing that if you're pursuing ACCA, then what are the challenges you can face, what is the difficulty level, and even if you're an average student, then how do you go about your ACCA? To be honest, see, it's a professional course, so there has to be some level of difficulty or some level of technicality involved in the examination. No doubt, it's not like a BCom or a graduation level examination where you prepare just 3-4 days before the examination and you can pass it. So, if that's your mindset, then ACCA is going to be difficult for you. However, if you look at ACCA, it has a lot of flexibility wherein you can write one paper at a time. So it makes the course a lot more easier, and all you have to do is get 50 marks in the examination. So in terms of passing, the ACCA has given a lot of relaxation to students. There is a lot of flexibility available. So that makes ACCA easier to pass compared to a lot of other courses like a CA, which is very difficult and has double marking system. If you are an average student and looking to do ACCA, then it is not that difficult, to be honest, because you can write one single paper, but you need to put in a lot of study hours. You need to definitely work hard while preparing for the examination. If you work hard, you can definitely pass your ACCA examination. Now, what challenges students really face and what makes ACCA difficult? One very important thing is the language. Okay, you need to have good command over English language. You need to have good English writing skills. So that is very, very important. If your English is weak, you might find ACCA difficult. Second, what makes ACCA difficult is it is a very application based kind of an examination. It is not what you have studied so far, where you read the concept and then you go and replicate the concept as it is. So if you are not someone who can apply concepts really well, then you might find ACCA difficult. So these are the only two reasons why I feel ACCA can be difficult for someone. Otherwise, it is relatively simple. Now, moving on to job opportunities, from that perspective, is ACCA a difficult course to pursue? Well, very honestly, if you're someone who wants to be a self-employed, then ACCA is not the course for you, because currently in India, ACCAs do not have the right to sign any balance sheet. So if you're looking at self-employment, then ACCA is not the course for you. Then ACCA can be a difficult career path if you want that to be your career goal. However, if you're someone who wants to do a job, then ACCA is definitely worth it. There are a lot of companies that are open to hiring ACCAs. Again, the scope is limited to a lot of MNCs, a lot of bigger companies. If you're someone in a very small city, then again ACCA could be a difficult career path for you. Figure out your career goals. If you are looking at doing a job in a bigger city, something like Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Hyderabad, then definitely ACCA is a good option for you. Now, looking at the financial aspect, will ACCA financially burden you? Honestly, I would say no. It's a very affordable course. You would be spending about 3 to 4 lakhs over a span of 2 to 3 years. So on an average, you would be spending 1 lakh rupees per year for your ACCA course, which is not a huge sum of money if you compare it to any other graduation. If you look at any graduation in the science stream like a medicine or engineering, you would be spending a lot more compared to ACCA. Financially, it's a very cost friendly course. So in that aspect, ACCA is not a tough course to pursue. So these are the different factors which you can consider, and then you can decide if ACCA is really difficult for you or no. Uh, However, if you're a very average student and you require guidance on how to go about your ACCA journey, then you can definitely reach out to me. I'll be very happy to help you. Details have been shared. And guys, please do subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more such content related to ACCA. In case you have any clarification on any particular topic, you can drop in a comment below. I will be very happy to help you. Please do like my video, share it with more of your friends, and we'll be back with more such ACCA related tips. Till then, take care. See you all.